Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel, I gives review about skincare and hair care products. Today, I will review about a skincare product called Extra Beauty Glow Lotion. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today, I will review about Extra Beauty Glow Lotion. The lotion is a good lotion that helps to lighten the skin. The Extra Beauty Glow Lotion is of two types, which are Extra Beauty Glow Arbutin plus Licorice Lotion is the black color, while the Extra Beauty Glow Intensive Half-Cast Lotion is yellow color. Let's start with the Extra Beauty Glow Arbutin Licorice Lotion. The Extra Beauty Glow Arbutin Licorice Lotion is a 7 days result product. It is a strong whitening lotion. The arbutin even out and brightens skin tone, lightens darken area, and can help with appearance of scars. While licorice removes excess melanin, brighten the skin in another way. The lotion contains liquiritin and active compound that helps to remove existing melanin in the skin. The Extra Beauty Glow Arbutin Licorice is a strong whitening lotion, is a perfect combination of anti-aging ingredients with natural skin whitening ingredients. Extra Beauty Glow Intensive Half-Cast Lotion. The Extra Beauty Glow Intensive Half-Cast Lotion is an active whitening lotion. It contains carrot oil, alpha-arbutin, glutathione, Filipino powder, and solution. With carrot and turmeric formulated to firm and brighten skin with dynamic combination of 100% natural ingredients that target excessive and wrinkles. It also leaves skin soft and moisturized all day. Extra Beauty Glow Half-Cast Lotion is an active whitening lotion with carrot oil and argan. The best quality whitening lotion that helps facial treatments. How to use Extra Beauty Glow Lotion. Apply the lotion to your skin morning and evening on a cleansed skin and gently massage until it absorbed completely. Benefits of using Extra Beauty Glow Lotion. 1. It helped to whiten and brighten the skin. 2. It an anti-aging lotion. 3. The lotion helped to clear wrinkles and blemish on the skin. 4th, it helped to remove excess melanin and also fade scars. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.